Welcome back to Relief Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss exercise 12.2 of Heron's formula. See, we read the problem from your assignment. You have to find the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Measures of four sides of quadrilaterals are given, and it is given that the angle between first two sides, that is AB and BC, is right angle, and you want to find the area. This is our question. Now, see, so we have discussed earlier the theory how to find the area of quadrilateral. So what we will do, we will draw here one diagonal, this AC. Why AC? Not BD. This question arises. See here, why AC? In triangle ABC, it is given that angle B is 90 degree. So we have AB, we have BC, this is 90 degree. So this triangle is a right angle triangle. So we can find the remaining third side by using Pythagoras. Clear? So we will get AC. Why not BD? This triangle is not a right angle triangle. We have two sides of a triangle. We can't apply here Pythagoras. So we are not able to find the diagonal here AC. So we will consider triangle ABC. Okay. Now see. In quadrilateral ABCD, let AB is equals to 9 meter, BC is equals to 40 meter, CD is equals to 28 meter, and AD is equals to 15 meter. So we will apply Pythagoras in triangle ABC. We are not able to apply in triangle ADC. It is not 90 degree. So we will apply here in triangle ABC and we will find the third side AC. So why it is necessary to find AC? Okay, see here. This is right angle triangle. So we can find the area of right angle triangle. How? Half into triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC. Half into product of sides forming right angle. Forming right angle. So we have these two sides which forms right angle. So we can find the area of triangle ABC just by normal formula. No need of applying Heron's formula. So we can get area of triangle this ABC. What about this ADC? Here it is not a right angle. So we can't use this formula. We don't have altitude. So we can't use common formula. So here we have two sides. And in order to find area by Heron's formula, we want remaining third sides of a triangle. So you have to obtain AC. So that can be obtained by applying Pythagoras. So this is the structure of a problem. So we will approach. Now see, in triangle ABC, angle B is equals to 90 degree. So first we will find AC by Pythagoras. So according to Pythagoras, what you can write? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB is 9, BC 40 square, 9 square 81, 40 square 1600. So total is 1681. This is AC square. Now AC under root of 1681. So AC is equals to. Now we want to find the root of 1681. So I know, see, 41 square we will find. 40 square is 1600. So it is something bigger than 40. So we will try with 41. So here we will get 41. 4 and 4 is 4. 4 for the 16. So total will be 1681. So it is square of 41 meter. So okay, we got AC. This will be helpful for you to find area of triangle ADC by Heron's formula. Okay, now area of triangle ABC is equals to half into sides forming right angle. These are two sides forming right angle, AB into BC. So that is equals to half into AB 9, BC 40. 1s are 20. So that is equals to 180 meters square. Simple. You can find area by Heron's formula also. but it's not practical to find area by Heron's formula. Why? Because simply we are able to find by using our normal form. Okay, now we'll go for triangle ADC. So you write here for triangle ADC. What we have, C, AD is equals to 15, CD is equals to 28, and AC is equals to 41 meter. So first we'll find semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is equals to, you know that sum of three sides of a triangle. These are the three sides of a triangle. So 15 plus 28 plus 41 upon 2. 8 plus 1 9. 9 plus 5 14. 4 carry 1. 4 1 5. 6 7 and 8. So you will get 84 upon 2, that is equals to 42 meter. So we got semi-perimeter of triangle ADC. Now we'll find area. So area of triangle ADC is equals to under root Heron's formula. S minus one side, second side, third side. So what is semi-perimeter? 42. 42 minus measure of first side 15 you consider. 42 minus second side, that is 28. 42 minus third side, that is 41. 42 minus 15. So 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5, 7. There will be 3. 3 minus 1, 2. 27. 12 minus 8, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. 14. Here 1. Now, I told you, no need of multiplying all these things. Just you find the factors. 42. So how you will find 42 factor of 42? So you can write 21 2s are also. Or if you are not able to do it, you do one thing. Or write the prime factor. 2s are 21. 3s are 7. 7. So you will write 2 into 3 into 7. 27. 9 3s are 27. 9 is a perfect square. So I can write 9 3s are 14. I can write 2 7s are. See now. This 2, this 2. 2 2s are 4, so root is 2. Here 3, 3, pair, so we'll take 1, 3. Here 7, 7, so you'll write 7. Root of 9 is 3. So 2 3s are 6. 6 7s are 42. 42 3s are 3 2s are 6. 126. Answer will be 126 meter square. So simple, we have measures of three sides of a triangle. You know how to find the area by using Heron's formula. Now you got area of both the triangle. You want to find area of quadrilateral ABCD. So now area of quadrilateral ABCD is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. Area of triangle ABC is 180 plus area of triangle ADC is 126. So that will be equal to 0 plus 6, 6. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1, 306 meters square is our answer. So what is the moral of the story? One triangle is a right angle triangle. So here you want to find the side of this triangle by using Pythagoras. So you will get AC. Now if you get AC, you have all the measures of three sides of a triangle. So you will find the area of triangle ADC by Heron's formula. And area of triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. So easily it can be found out by half into base into altitude. In this way you can obtain area of both this triangle. Add these two areas, you will get the area of quadrilateral ABCD. So in this way our first problem is completed. Now we'll go for second problem. Okay, see now second problems. It is quadrilateral ABCD. All these dimensions are given: AB, BC, CD, AD, and also one of the diagonal is given 9 cm. So now it is easy to find the area of triangle ABC when measures of three sides are given by using Heron's formula. Similarly, you can find area of triangle ADC by using Heron's formula. Add area of these two triangles, you will get the area of required quadrilateral. Okay, now see. Now, all these dimensions are given. Now we write for triangle ABC. Here, AB 7, BC 6 cm, AC 9 cm. First we will find semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S is equals to 7 plus 6 plus 9 upon 2. So that is 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. Upon 2, so that is equals to 11 centimeter. So we got semi-perimeter. Now we will find the area. So area of triangle ABC under root of S minus A. If you don't want to write the formula, not necessary, just substitute the values. Now you are familiar with the formula. S11. Last time I am writing SA. These are A, B, C. You can consider any value as A, B, C. No need of mentioning it. Now S is 11. Now 11 minus A, that is the first side of a triangle, 7. 11 minus second side, 6. 11 minus third side, 9. So from now onwards we will not write this formula. Just we will write S. S is 11. Then in bracket 11 minus 7, 11 minus 6, 11 minus 9. That's all. So no need of mentioning the form. Okay? Now see. 11. 11 minus 7, 4. 11 minus 6. You get 5. 11 minus 9. 2. Now 11, 4, 2. Nothing you can get, just you can find the roots of this 4. So that is 2. And remaining you have to find the root. So I can write here 2 into root 11. 11 minus 5, 55. 55 into 2, 110. This is your answer, centimeter square. See, you have learned in the 8th standard how to find the root of 110. I am not mentioning here how to find the root. You can find the root, you can multiply by 2 and you can write your final answer here. Clear? Otherwise we can mention in this order also, 2 into 110. So if you solve this, later we will solve that. First we will find the area. Now for triangle ABC, what we have here? AC is equals to 9 centimeter, CD is equals to 12 centimeter, AD is equals to 15 centimeter. Now we will find semi-perimeter. S is equals to 9 plus 12 plus 15 upon 2. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 6 carry 1. So we get 36 upon 2. That is equals to 18 centimeter. So this is the semi-perimeter of triangle ADC. Now you know how to find the area. Simple. So area of triangle ADC. I will not write the formula now. You know under root of S. So S is 18. Now 18 minus one side, that is this 9. 18 minus 12. 18 minus 15. So you write 18, 9, 6. 18 minus 15. 3. So now 9 2s are 18, this 9 as it is, 6 2 3s are, and here it is 3. 9, 9, 9, 2 and 2, so you write 1 2 here, then 3 and 3, you write 1 3 here. 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 18 3s are 54. 54 centimeter square. So now you got area of two triangles. See, if you find the root and multiply this, your answer will be something 20.98 centimeters square. See, if you are not able to know how to find the root, we will discuss at the end of the chapter. Now we got area of triangle ABC and area of triangle ADC. Now required area, that is area of quadrilateral ABCD, is equals to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC. So that is equals to area of triangle 20.98 plus area of triangle ABC 54. So 47.98 centimeters square. This is our required answer. So simple. In both the triangle we have applied Heron's formula. That's all. See, we will discuss question number 4 of exercise 12.2. I will read the question. See, students of a school stage a rally for cleanliness campaign. They walk through the lane in two groups. So, group of students are walking through two lanes. One group walk through lanes AB, BC and CA. See, from A to B they are walking, from B to C, and they are going from C to A. So, this is the lane followed by one group of students. AB, BC and CA. While other group, they walk through AC, CD and DA. Then they clean the area which is enclosed within their lanes. If AB, BC, CD, DA these are the dimension, B is 90 degree, then which group clean more area and by how much, and find the total area cleaned by the students. So see, these are the two lanes. So first group followed A to B, B to C, C to A. This is the lane followed by the first group. So how much area is enclosed by this? You have to find the area of triangle, in short ABC. In short, you have to find the area of triangle ABC, and you know it is a right angle triangle. You have base, you have altitude. So easily by using common formula you can find the area of triangle ABC. Now second group is walking through lane AC, CD and DA. We have dimension of AD and CD. We don't have dimension of AC. So in order to find, and it is not a right angle triangle, and in order to find area, you know there is only one option left, that is Heron's formula. And if you want to use Heron's formula, it is necessary you should have dimension of all three sides. So question arises, we don't have dimension of this AC. So how to find? Very simple. By using Pythagoras, you can find AC. So you get all the three sides. Now you can find area of triangle ADC by using Heron's formula. Okay. See now. So first, in triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree. I will find AC first. So AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. 9 square plus 40 square. Already we have done this first problem. 1600. So it is 1681. So therefore AC, I told you, root 1681 is equals to 41 meter. So we got AC. Now we'll find the area of triangle ABC. So area of triangle ABC, it is a right angle triangle. So half into base BC into altitude AB. So half into base 40 into 9. 1s are 20s are, so that is equals to 180 meter square. So very simple. We got area of triangle ABC. Now we will find area of triangle ADC. Now for triangle ADC, we have AD 28 meter, CD 15 meter and AC 41 meter. Clear? So now we'll find semi-perimeter. Plus 15 plus 41 down to 1, 5, 6, 6 and 8. 41. Carry 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 84 54 upon 2, that is equals to 42 meter. So in this way we got area of semi-perimeter. Now we'll find the area by using Heron's formula. So area of triangle ADC under root of S minus A. No need of writing formula directly, I will write. See now, semi-perimeter is 42. Then we will write 42 minus first side of a triangle 28. 42 minus second side of a triangle 15. 42 minus 41. So here 42 minus 28. 12 minus 8, you will get 4. And here 14. 12 minus 5. 42 minus 58. 12 minus 5, 5, 6, 7. And here you get 3. 3 minus 1, 27. Into 1. So now factors are 42. So I told you 42 factors 2, 21, 3, 7, 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. Here 7 2s are, 9 3s are. 2, 2, you write 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 1, 7, root of 9 is 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 into 7, 7 6 are 42, 42 3s are, 3 2s are 6, 12, 126 meter square. So in this way you got area of triangle ADC. Now question is, which group clean more area and by how much? See, first group has cleaned 180 meter square, second group has cleaned 126 meter square. So first group has cleaned more area. By how much, that we have to find out. So we can say first group has cleaned more area. Cleaned more area by how much? So 180 minus 26 meter square. So that is equals to, just to separate, see, 10 minus 6 you will get 4, 7 minus 2 you will get 5. So 54 meter square area is cleaned more by first group. And our second question is, find the total area cleaned by the students. So now total area cleaned. Total area cleaned is equals to, here is 180 by first group plus second group has cleaned 126. So 306 meter square. This problem is similar to that of our first problem, but you know that conditions are different. Values almost they are same. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed this question. So it is complete for today. That's all.